Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make a professional email account. So let's start. How do you create an email address for business or professional use and only at gmail.com? Instead of this, you can use info at your company name, and this is very important to look professional as business, because if you turn a company, you really want to have business email. With easy mails you can do it. Here is the principal page. As you can see, just scroll down and you will find here the packages. Here we have different packages. I recommended Mailer for $2.99 per month. This will give you the 30 money back guarantee, and only that, only with our link in the description below you will get the 80% off for the final price for this month, so you can use it, and it's very easy to do it. Just click here on order. Then here on order you can check the benefits, as it gives you 2 mailboxes, unlimited data traffic, live in 2 minutes, security checks, as I told you before, 30-day money back guarantee. And also if you need support for your email or something like that, well, you have the support from Easy Mails all time, and it's very quickly to get in touch with them. And also if you will get the email address, you will get in 2 minutes or less. Then when you're ready, just click on order now, and here you will have the price and also the information about payment. So in add promotion you can add the code promotion that I told you before. Just write how to and just click on apply it, and you will find that we give you the 80% off for a month. Then just write your email address and what email address to be for your company. Write your card information and your month and year, as well as your CVC, your card holder name, and the country or region. When you're ready, just click on save it. Just click on your phone number and subscribe it. If you don't want to save your information, you can unselect. And that's just how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.